our Kutsinhira community and where we have come to in the last 25 years. This person here, Maggie Donahue, was the seed that germinated and produced probably more than you ever expected, Maggie. And so we now have such a large, beautiful, supportive community, and it's not just about the music at all. It's about what emerges from the music. We have played Kakawa together. We've learned the beginning songs from Maggie, just the way they were handed down to her. She's been very careful about that. It's been part of our learning from her that we get the music the way it was transmitted to her, and that's been very important. We haven't always paid attention to that. We've tried to divert in our Western way, but Maggie has kept us close to the source. So we've gotten the opportunity to perform. The elders in the community, those of us who have grown older, performing. When would we have ever had the chance to perform? When would a 10-year-old have had a chance to perform to an exuberant audience that is clapping and dancing? It's been very, very special. We've had the opportunity to learn a particular kind of music from the source. Cosmos Magaya, Musikiwa Chungotsa, Pula Tioko, and Patience Munjeri are 4 musicians who are very close to our hearts. Without Maggie, we wouldn't have ever met them. It's a rare and wonderful experience. So Mag, I could really talk for a long time, and I'll bet a lot of you could talk for a long time about our experiences of community and music as a result of Maggie, but we would like to present you. This is a bouquet, but really a more important gift to honor you is this offering of a rose bush of your choosing, so that you can look at it every day and think about the love that comes from our community to you.
I've never gotten so much credit for a good idea in my whole life. It just keeps coming. I couldn't have, it wasn't just me. I just had the idea and the blessing of Dumi, but it was other people, and I see them out here all day today. I said, well, how are we going to do this? What are we going to do next? And, growing up in the 60s, you have an idea about collective, endeavor, and I thought, maybe more than 8 people should have the opportunity to play this music. And so here we have a center that everybody pitches in on, and everybody does their part, and it's really a beautiful thing. And thank you all for coming.
Thank you, Maggie.